Our task must be to free ourselves, by widening our circle of compassion, to embrace all living creatures, and the whole of nature and its beauty. I believe in intuitions and inspirations. I sometimes feel that I am right. I do not know that I am. Education is what remains, after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters. We cannot despair of humanity, since we ourselves are human beings. I think and think for months and years. 99 times, the conclusion is false. The 100th time, I am right. It occurred to me by intuitions, and music was the driving force behind that intuition. My discovery was the result of musical perception. Before God, we are equally wise, and equally foolish. Joy in looking and comprehending is nature's most beautiful gift.